What is up, YouTube? We are back at it again, and now we're going to put Lasfit auto lighting in my wife's car. It's going to be H11s. It is plug and play. It's super simple. These are the H11 Plus. It's the new upgraded version of their other bulbs. And you can see it's straight plug and play. No issues with wiring or anything, throwing any fault codes or anything like that. You just take the old bulb out, which is H11. This is H11 Plus. It's the new version, like I said. Same plug. Take this one out, put this one in. This is the 2013 Hyundai Sante Fe Sport. Super easy to reach the bulb. Low beam is top left or top right, depending on which side you're on. You just turn the housing, pop the cup off, reach in, twist the bulb towards the engine from the left side. Got a big hand, so it's kind of hard to get in there. Little clips, you just pinch these together, pops right off. Super easy. New bulb. Plugs in. We'll test the polarity real quick. The polarity's off. The engine's a little bit loud. Flip it over. Bulb works perfectly fine. It's super bright. We'll go ahead and shut that off. Alright, like I said, super bright. Probably blinding the thing. It's got a cooling fan built in. Seal and everything, so you don't have to worry about getting any moisture or anything happening to it. They're the same notches as this has on it. You need to line those up in the slots. Just turn the bulb away from the engine and lock it in place. Tuck the wires. And it's way brighter than the halogen. If it's a little darker, we'll show you what it looks like at night.